So this now I'm in lowyat plaza because I come here to servicing my laptop. It's an old laptop, long time I never use it. So I come service under the recommendation from my friends Rohan, where I met also him at dance place. We are learning dancing together. So he owned the shops, I mean the business. So if anyone want to come to service the computer, laptop, please come over to this shop, Lowyat Plaza. So this is the I'm looking for the address. Wait, go for second floor at lot number 002.040. Thank you very much.